Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy, hope you're healthy, and inspired to launch your businesses or grow your existing businesses. Today we are talking about if you are moving too slow and the importance of timing, momentum, and all of that. But before we dive in, if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last 10 years, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice concepts in almost every fashion you can imagine, as well as helping hundreds of people like you all over the world launch and scale successful juice bar concepts, acai bowl concepts, healthy cafes, and more. So all the information on this channel is coming from that experience. Early invitation to press that like button. Thank you so much. That supports the channel and also inspires us to make more content and exposes this content to more people, which in turn is going to help the world become a healthier place, which is our mission, and I'm sure it's yours as well. So diving in, today I was inspired to make this video because I recently got off a call with a prospective client who was talking to me about their business development. Now, this is someone who had been really putting a lot of due diligence into developing their concept, which is always a beautiful thing. But they were also investing quite a lot of time. And I got the sense that they were moving a little bit slowly. And as the conversation was proceeding, they let me know that there was really what seemed like a golden opportunity in front of them, but they still needed to analyze it more and more and more. Okay. Now, the problem with this is that golden opportunities don't last forever. And while I want to say, and I suggest and recommend that all of you take time to do your research, to learn, but I also want you guys to be aware that if you do too much of that, right, your plane might leave before you board, okay? So while you're packing, you're getting ready, guess what? The plane has a scheduled time that it's gonna take off from the airport, and you've gotta be there. Timing is so important, okay? I wanna share something with you that I came across many years ago. I actually was watching a TED Talk by a gentleman, don't recall his name, but he was sharing that he had been one of the partners or one of the heads of an incubator. And if you don't know what an incubator is, it's basically a company and an organization that supports other startup companies. And his resume was extensive. He had worked with a lot of companies that at some point had valuations in the billions of dollars. And so this is someone who is well respected and appreciated and has a lot of experience in business. And what he was talking about was that he did an analysis assessing what was the primary factor that led to a lot of the companies that were very successful, but they had been a part of, and also what led to the failure of other companies that they had also been mentoring and developing in the incubator. He was analyzing the team, the funding, product market fit, and lastly, timing of the industry. And what he found out is out of all of these factors, the most important thing was timing, okay? We are in an era of time right now where people are getting healthier. The juice business is expanding, and that's a beautiful thing, okay? It's a beautiful thing for all of us to usher in and also take advantage of as part of our movement towards making the world healthier and expanding your wealth, expanding your impact. And so going back to this previous scenario that I was talking about, is what I was sharing with this individual was that this opportunity is golden and it's not going to last forever. Opportunities like this and locations like this don't just stay on the market for 6 months at a time. Locations that are undesirable stay on the market for long periods of time. Locations that are in high demand, guess what? They're in high demand, so they're not going to last very long. So you have to ask yourself, are you in a place where you are spending so much time in this, what we call the analysis paralysis process, that you maybe might look up and wake up one day and find out that that prime location that you were really meant to open was started by someone else in your community because they saw the golden opportunity of opening a juice bar and they were willing to take action and take advantage of that opportunity while you were spending too much time contemplating if you're ready. Are you, doing the right thing? How do you do it? This is why we're here, right? reach out to us. You can reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com, so we can make sure that you're doing things the right way, and you can also do it in an expedited manner, where something that might take you a year will heavily reduce that time. We'll compact that process so you can take advantage of the places in your neighborhood and the market opportunity in your neighborhood that's only going to last so long. So you have to ask yourself the question, how is it going to feel if somebody else opens up that juice bar in your community or in that location that you really knew you were meant to open? It's probably not going to feel too great. Okay? So take the time and energy, yes, to learn. Don't be foolish and just sign a lease without thinking about it, but also get a very sober perspective, get a realistic perspective on the opportunities that are in front of you so you can take advantage of them while they're there. Because just like when you're surfing, okay? If you surf, I don't surf, but just thinking about being out there and a wave is coming, you have to prepare for it so that when the wave comes, you have enough momentum to take advantage of that and ride that wave. And that is what's happening in the industry. That's what's happening in your community. These things are expanding. The wave is here and the wave is coming. Because otherwise, if you don't, what happens? The wave is going to pass you by, or it's going to knock you over and throw you to the bottom of the ocean. Hopefully, it's a little bit more graceful than that. So, like I said before, reach out to me personally at Andrew@StartAJuiceBar.com. Would love to have a conversation about how we can help you with wherever you are to wherever you want to be. If you haven't pressed the like button yet, press the like button. Hope you appreciated this content. Any questions or comments, put it in the comment box below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get alerted anytime we release new content. Lastly, follow us on iTunes and on Spotify at our podcast, the Juice Bar Experts Podcast, if you like listening to podcasts. And you can also find us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. You can also direct message me there. We're very active. We post unique content there. We also do giveaways. We do all kinds of stuff on Instagram that we don't do on YouTube and we don't do anywhere else. So you definitely want to check out our Instagram page. Until next time, hope you're happy, healthy. And this is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. I'll see you at the next video. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. If you're in a place where you are really inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, the 15 steps to starting your juice bar from scratch. Now, this is going to give you an overview of all the steps that you need to take in order to launch your business. If you want to go even deeper, we created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every single aspect of the business, starting from the very beginning all the way to actually launching a successful juice business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you guys will find a lot of value out of them. As always, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you guys in the next video.